Corrective feedback is feedback given by a teacher to a student to correct some sort of error. There are many different subjects where this is used, however, this article does focus on linguistic errors. In the introduction, Ellis explains that although corrective feedback is commonly used in different classrooms, that there really isn't enough evidence to strongly support or oppose corrective feedback. Basically, when this feedback's used, it's not really being systematically done, so there's not really a way to use this in a case study for research. His hope for this article is to give teachers strategies on how to systematically use corrective feedback through this typology, and also to show how students can respond to that feedback. He states that if a student's not correcting or responding to corrective feedback, there's not really a point of having that corrective feedback. So that second component, the student response component, is really essential to corrective feedback.